Welcome to official ATMC platform. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use our software HotelSoft available on our website atmcconsultancy.com. To download the software and to create a company, you can watch our another video upon the installation. So let's start with the demo. To open the software, simply double click upon the desktop icon, click continue, select the company name, enter the user ID and password, and you will be logged into the main screen of the software. So in this demo I will be covering the hotel part, and the restaurant part has already been covered in the other video, so you can watch that video if you want to run this software for restaurant. Otherwise, stay here. So in this demo, first of all I'll be showing you how to add the items that are available in your kitchen. So to do that, go to masters, click upon item, and this item book will show you the items that are available with you in your kitchen. So click upon new to add new items. So here you can select the type, veg or non-veg. Now item name I write pasta. If the group name is already there, it is okay. If it is not there, then press F3 function key and you can select it. You can set the data from here. So I write Italian 1, save it, and you are done. So I'll take Italian 1 and set its other details, set the rates available at different places. So at room table service it is 500, room services it is 1000 rupees, packaging cost rupees 600, app rate is 500, bar rate is 1200, and point of sale I set it 800. So this is how the item entry will be done. Now close the window. So this was how you can add the kitchen items in the software. So when we talk about the hotel, so first of all we need to create the room. So to create the room, simply go to masters, click upon room and click upon new and add the room number. Here I write 105. Now type of room can be selected from the drop down menu. If the group is not there, then you can simply press the F3 function key and you can set the room types new. Okay, and you can also update the room types here. So click upon save and the room will be added. This is how you can add the rooms. Now I'll show you how to add the waiters. So to do that, click upon masters and go to waiter. It will show you the list of waiters available. Click upon new and add the detail. Here I write Jimmy. Click enter other details, set the photographs and click upon save, and this is how the waiter list would be maintained. So here it will show you the all the waiters available with you. So now go to masters, and from here also you can set your room type, you can set packages, you can set other details, you can set recipes. So let me show you how to set the tables also. To create the table, simply go to masters, click upon a table, click upon new and write the table number. I write 101, capacity is of 4, serial number is its position, and click upon save, and this is how the table would be entered in the eating area. So this was it. Now once we are done with it, let me show you how to do the reservation. So go to entries, click upon reservations, and the reservation here it will be shown the list of the all the reservations that are being made in your hotel. So to make a new reservation, click upon new, and supposingly this is being done on 10th of September, booking is this, and enter the details. So I write other details, you can fill in full forms. This is demo video, so I can handle this much only. So you can add other details. It asks for the document also that you can provide this time. Enter other details and click upon continue, and visit date is 20th and days is this, gents is 1, lady is 1, and children are 2. So and the room taking is 105. So select the room type, room number, and total rent per day I set it 2500. Advance money is taken. So if it is a cash payment, I'll take the cash amount. Other details can be filled up according to the type of payment has been done. So click upon OK and click upon save, and this is how the reservation would be done. If you want to get it printed, click upon yes, otherwise no. This is the default preview and it is customizable. Once you purchase our software, we can do it for you. So once the reservation has been done, let me show you how to do the check-in. So click upon entries, go to check-in, click upon new and add the date. So this was the date that our customer was willing to come. So now if the reservation has already been done, click upon plus and it will show you the details. Select it, press enter, and all the details will be filled up automatically. Click upon save, and this is how the check-in would be done. So once it is done, let me show you to do the room services entries. So click upon entries, go to KOT, and here click upon new, add the entry number KOT. In service type, we are going to select the room service, and waiter name supposedly is Jimmy, who is taking the room services for it. So room service, Mr. Raj was staying in 105. He is ordering pizza, quantity so quantity is 1, amount is this, and this is this. If sometime later he again orders something, supposedly he is ordering tea and black tea is ordered, so go here and this is how it is done. Click upon save and it will be saved. So if you want to get it printed, then it will also be done. Since this is a demo video, so we cannot show you the thing over here. Now let me show you the checkout. Go to entries, click upon checkout and enter the details. Click upon new, enter the details, bill number. So it is already showing you the room number since it is the only that is being occupied. Mr. Raj is the name. You can add the remarks. So it will show you all the details. Room rent was 2500, and other thing, it is also showing the KOT amount that has been ordered in the kitchen. Days of visit is this. So cash amount he is paying. Click upon OK and the click upon save, and this is how the checkout would be done. If you want to get it printed, click upon yes, otherwise no. So this was the basic feature of the software. Other things can also be managed from here, like you can do the stock reports can be checked. You can also check the reservation rooms, and you can also set the reports. You can set the police station reports. You can check the bill book. Admin features are also added in the software, so the administrator can check out the sales report, other night audit reports, guest list, rooms available. And in entries, if you go to room dashboard, it will show you the number of vacant rooms, if any room has been blocked, and other details like that. It can be simply seen through reports room dashboard. So this was the main feature of the software. So we tried to cover all the important points. Still, if there are any queries, please feel free to contact our team. Have a good day.